Please like, subscribe, and activate the alert so you never miss a new video.